Three simple recommendations that are going to help you if you are suffering from diabetes. This is what I'm going to share in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First step is the most practical one. It is cut down on your sugar. Now you will be saying, oh, I have heard this thousands of times, but some of the people, they have hard time in cutting down on sugar. This happens because of stress. If there is continuous stress in life, then the craving for the sugar, they are very high. So meditation, breathing exercises, these things are going to help you. It's not so that they are going to just remove the stress from your life, but these practices will help you to come out of the stress faster. So the time period that you are going to be in stress, it's going to be less. Continuous stress for a long period of time, this is what spikes the blood sugar levels, and this is what will make you to crave for sugar or sweets. So it sounds simple, but yes, it is very practical, it is effective. Meditation and breathing exercises are going to be awesome. Internet is full of different types of meditation and lots of breathing exercises. See which suits you. Go through many of them and see what suits you, what is easy for you to do. Do it for 2 months continuously, and I challenge you, you are going to see better results. That's for sure. So breathing exercises and meditation are awesome. They are like treatment. Do it at least for 2 months. Just give it a try. And if you will not like it, you will not see the results, you can just leave it and just live your life as you were. But just give it a try, and these things I know are very powerful. They are going to be helpful. There are spices also that can be helpful. For example, eating a little bit of cinnamon every single day. You can add it to your tea. You can add it to your any of the hot drinks, or you can just take 1/4 of the teaspoon and just drink it with warm water. Or you can take a little bit of the cinnamon and just suck on it, just chew on it slowly. And these things, yes, I have practiced on myself. I know this, that these things are awesome. They just reduce your cravings for sugar. So adding cinnamon to your diet is going to be helpful. It is going to help you in balancing the blood sugar levels also. And whenever I say cinnamon, I want to say Ceylon Cinnamon, because this is the best form of cinnamon. And using it for a long period of time is not going to give any of the harm for your liver. While other cinnamon, if you'll use it for a long period of time, then there are chances of getting a little bit of liver issues. But we don't want that. That's why my recommendation is always use Ceylon Cinnamon. Its taste, its aroma, its effect, they are totally different from the general cinnamon that is actually cassia. Cinnamon is Ceylon Cinnamon that gives you best results. So always go with Ceylon Cinnamon. That will be helpful for you. So just search for Ceylon Cinnamon and you will find someone selling near to you. But if it's hard for you to find, I'll put a link down below in the description box. You can have a look. But I think Ceylon Cinnamon you can easily find all over the world. Now my second and the most important one is eating few times in a day and no snacking. By this, what I mean is eating 2 meals in a day, or 3 meals in a day, or 1 meal in a day, and that too without snacking. If it's new concept for you, then what you can do is start with just consuming 3 meals in a day, and that too without snacking. You are not going to snack. You are going to have your breakfast, then lunch and dinner. That's it. Do this and eat your dinner by 6 to 7 p.m. not late. You will see just by doing this, there will be good improvement in your overall health. So consume 3 meals but without snacking. Do it for a month or 2, and as you will be comfortable, then try to go with 2 meals in a day. That is going to be your breakfast, or you can say early lunch. You can take your lunch by 10 or 11 a.m. and then by 6 or 5 in the evening, 5 or 6 or 7 p.m., go for your dinner. So in this way, you will be consuming 2 meals in a day, and try it for a month or 2. And if you go good with this, it's awesome. Why these things are going to help you? Because you will not be having constant spikes of insulin. Your insulin sensitivity will be better. and this will help you to control your blood sugar levels. If we'll be snacking continuously, what is going to happen? Our blood sugar levels are going to spike very often, and this is not good for our blood vessels, for our body's health. So if you want to increase the insulin sensitivity, if you want to improve your overall health, try to eat 2 meals in a day or 3 meals in a day. And if you are comfortable, even you can go with 1 meal in a day. You can try that also. And these things are going to be helpful. So see how your body response is and see how you are comfortable. Even for the males who are suffering from prostate issues, consuming in this way, it's going to be very, very helpful. So for sugar and for prostate, this simple tip about the meals is going to be very, very helpful. My third recommendation, and that too is the most obvious one, it is about introducing exercises, especially for your calf muscles. Why? Because calf muscles can burn the sugar very fast. They store the sugar in them. When you just do the calf raises, they are going to decrease your blood sugar levels. Even I have done this experiment. I have a video about that. I made one of the sugar patient to do it, and then I checked the blood sugar levels, and it showed that yes, it has decreased the blood sugar levels. Introduce calf raises. You can do it throughout the day as you are comfortable at your workplace, or even if you are traveling anywhere, it is going to be very helpful. Plus other kinds of exercises also, whichever you like. It can be yoga, it can be weight training, anything. These things are going to be very, very helpful. These things are going to help you to reduce your blood sugar levels. They are going to improve your insulin sensitivity. So they are going to keep you overall healthy, and they are not only good to decrease the blood sugar levels or to balance your insulin levels, they are good for your heart, for your muscles, for your bones, for everything. If you want to reduce the stress, and this also, exercises are going to be very, very helpful. I know it sounds very simple, but I will ask you to do check the video that will be in the link box down below, where I asked a diabetic person to do the exercise, and instantly you can see the results. So these are simple tips, but these are effective. Do these things, you will see significant improvement in your health. I hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you in next video with a big smile. Until, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.